Today's disaster is about selling out, but not in the way you think. TikTok influencer Kaby Lame just retired at 25 years old for $975 million. Not bad, right? The company that bought him expects to generate $4 billion this year from the deal. But here is the thing. Kaby didn't just sell his TikTok account or sign a sponsorship deal. He sold his entire existence. The contract includes what they are calling an AI digital twin clause. He handed over his face ID, his voice ID, and his behavior models. Basically, everything that makes KB lame actually KB lame now belongs to a corporation. They can create an AI powered digital version of him that acts, talks, and looks exactly like him. And he no longer has any say in what it does. People in the comments are calling this dystopian. Some are saying he literally sold himself. There is nothing to be proud of here. Others are pointing out that we are about to see this guy go viral everywhere, except it won't actually be him. It'll just be an AI copy. At 25, this guy has essentially retired himself out of existence. The real Cabby can go live on a beach somewhere while AI Cabby continues to make content, doing sponsorships and generating billions for the company. The AI version will never ask for a raise, never get tired, and never say no to a brand deal. The irony here is that Kaby Lame got famous for making videos pointing out when people overcomplicate simple tasks. And now he has solved the problem of being an influencer by not being one anymore. Someone pointed out his whole success came from just having common sense during COVID. And now that common sense led to sell his entire identity to a corporation. Smart solutions. We have gone from influencers selling products to influencers selling themselves. And I mean that's literally. He sold his face, his voice, his mannerisms, and his entire digital identity for 975 million. Sure, but still, this is the logical endpoint of influencer culture. Why pay a human to make content when you can just buy them once and generate infinite content forever? It's actually more cost efficient than NFTs, which is saying something. Anyway, if anybody wants to buy my likeness for $975 million, I'm open to negotiations. I'll even throw in my behavior models for free. They're mostly just cynicism and disappointment anyway.